Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Claire if you are new, and today I'm going to bring you through my day, and then also we are going to be packing for Nashville. I'm going on a long weekend trip to Nashville. I'll be there from Friday night to Monday, and I thought it would be fun to like bring y'all along while I'm packing because I still don't know what all I'm going to be wearing. So this right now is literally the first time I've talked out loud today. It's like 6 a.m. I'm about to go work out. I'm so tired and so sore today. Before we get into this vlog today, y'all, I just had to say that today makes 3 years on YouTube for me. It's crazy to me that I've been making YouTube videos for that long. I truly don't remember my life before YouTube, but to say thank you, I just wanted to do this giveaway for you guys. Thank you for all of your love and kindness and support on all of my videos over the last couple of years, whether you've been there from the beginning or you are new to my channel. I love doing giveaways and giving back where I can, and truly I can't imagine my life without all of you that I have met through YouTube. My life without YouTube would not be the same, and I just can't wait to see what's to come. Directions down below, and stay tuned for more. Super random, but I got this from Target last week. It's from their new Mix Bar perfume fragrance collection. They have so many new fragrances out right now. It's the Coconut Palm Hair and Body Mist. I've been using this every day. It's only $8 and it smells so good. But not just this one. Like, I just want y'all to go and sniff them for yourselves because all of them smell good. Like, I had a hard time deciding which one to get. I'm gonna make us some Spark before we get going. Bloop. Okay, so we're back from the gym. I took Daisy on a walk. We are both super hot and sweaty. Well, I don't know about her. I am. I'm about to go take a shower and get started for work. I feel like my day starts the same every day, so I'm sorry if that gets old, but I am going to show y'all something today. So I got my March IPSY box in the mail. It came in yesterday or the day before, and I kind of took a peek inside because I get so excited about these boxes. So we'll show y'all that in a little bit. But also I want to show y'all my bread. So the last vlog I posted, I showed y'all really 3 different kinds of bread I made and like so many different recipes. I couldn't even fit all of the food that I made in the title of the video. These are my most recent makes. So this is like a white artisan bread, but I did add some rosemary, and these are some buns. If you want to go check out that video, please do. So good, literally so good. It tastes like a, I mean, it is homemade, but it tastes like a legit baker made these. Sorry for the background commentary. Daisy likes to be dramatic and huffs and puffs. Now you're acting quiet. Okay, y'all, it is later now. When I was in the shower this morning, a contact fell out, and I was like, you know, contacts are too much money, so I'm just gonna put on my glasses for the day. And so I went to a meeting. I've been working, so I've just been in my room going at it, made me some coffee, and now I'm getting a little hungry. It's like 11, so we're gonna make us some lunch. A very easy lunch, and it's so good. Let me show you. These bowls right here are so good. I'm obsessed with them. I got this from Fresh Market. I feel like they're probably sold at other places, but they're so good, and they're like not high in calorie at all. So I do like to add a little sour cream or salsa, and sometimes I'll dip them with like a little Tostitos chip, and it's so good. It's like a little shrimp dip when you do it that way, but love them, obsessed. And I've been trying really hard to save money. So when I say I've been trying really hard to save money, it's because like I have made some big purchases, I guess. So I'm going to Nashville this weekend. Just got a new car a couple weeks ago. And then I'm also going on another big trip in May, and I'm so excited to like do a pack with me for that too, but we'll talk about that when that gets closer. But I've been doing so good the past couple of weeks. Like, I haven't been eating out. I haven't been going to Starbucks really. I haven't been just buying things to buy them. I've been eating like all my meals at home. I haven't just been going to Target to buy things that I don't need. So we love that. Responsible. And honestly, just in making those little changes, I've realized I've saved like a couple $100s in the past couple weeks because I'm not going anywhere. I'm not spending money. And so I'm just going to start saving for things that are more important rather than just spending money on like coffee every day and making my coffee here and making food here and just being more responsible. It's a while later. I got these clothes out of the laundry. I'm about to do another meeting. I was trying to like hide them because you can kind of see my laundry behind me on my camera on Zoom. So trying to fold these like really quickly. I've been working from my bed pretty much all morning. Oh, what time is it now? It's already about 2. So yeah, this is the vibe. And then also I've had Brooklyn Nine-Nine on in the background. I'm already on season 2 and I've only been watching it for a few days. I've just like had it in the background for the past couple days, but it's so funny. So funny. Well, it is so much later. It's already 7 o'clock at night. I had full work day, had dinner, did my laundry, all that jazz, and I'm just now about to start packing. And we're not leaving until about 3:30-ish tomorrow, so I have plenty of time. But I want to try and get most of it packed tonight and then finish up everything else tomorrow. And here's my suitcase. I'm hoping she's not too big because there's 3 of us going, and we're taking my old car, so it's a little bit smaller. But I've fit so much stuff in that car before. It's a lot bigger than it looks. So we got to get her going. And I'm trying to figure out like exactly what I want to wear. I don't think I'm taking this. I've worn that a lot. But I showed these 2 dresses in a Target haul a couple weeks ago. I'll give a better look at these 2 in a minute. These came from Target, but I think I want to wear the green one with like Nike Air Force Ones one day. I'm not sure. We're really only going to be there like 2 full days, so I don't know how much to bring. I also have this like midi dress from Dress Up. Unsure about the denim jacket, but it's just like a short sleeve dress. I think that'd be cute with like Air Force Ones. But I also got this from Misguided, and this is like a silky satiny button up, and I love this look with jeans. Let me show you. Here's a better look at the top. So it's just like a silky satiny button up. It's like kind of oversized. I really wish I was cool enough to wear it with like bike shorts, but I don't know if I'm cool enough for that. But also I have these booties, and these are the jeans I got. They're actually from Wild Fable from Target. They're kind of like high rise. I really liked the color of these. I was just gonna wear some jeans I have, but I got these from Target a couple weeks ago. Just thought this would be a really cute look, either Air Force Ones or are we thinking these booties? I think these booties, and then like a whole bunch of gold chain necklaces and some gold hoops, and like my hair back in like a clip or low bun or something. I just really like that look. I've never worn anything like it, but we'll see. This is my outfit that I got from 30 Years, which is Katie Lusterlux, her brand. I wore this a couple weeks ago, and I have a picture on my Instagram. I just really love this outfit. These shorts are so comfortable, so I may wear this on the way down there because we're not going to get there till super late. And here's a better look at that dress. It's just literally like a plain dress. I think I've worn it to church like once or twice, if that, and I've never really gotten the chance to wear it. It's kind of like longer in the back, and I thought it was just a cute casual dress. I can dress it up with some jewelry. Okay, and here is that other dress that I think I'm gonna wear. This one or the black one, I'm not sure, but I thought this would be cute with like Air Force Ones, and bring a denim jacket in case it's cold, but unsure. And I'm about to take my iron and kind of steam this white shirt over here. Ignore all the mess in my room. And then I may just either lay this one down in my suitcase or hang it up, but either way, I'm sure like our hotel will have an iron to steam it. I also got this one, and it's that same silky top, but it's in a large, and it's like this beigey cream color. The white one I got in a medium, and it fits perfectly, but this one just fits more almost like a dress, but not long enough like in the front to be a dress. Otherwise, like I would probably wear this, but this would also be really cute with bike shorts, and then those black booties over there. I wish I could pull that off. It's just like a bolder statement, I guess. Okay, so I used to have my jewelry really organized. I'm trying not to show myself because I am in my pajamas. But I need to get it back to organized. These are also some more of my necklaces and some more things up here. I'm going to take a good bit of jewelry with me. Probably definitely like these gold hoops, some other gold hoops, and then like all of these gold chain necklaces that I always wear. Maybe some rings. I really wish I had my nails done, but they're not done. So yeah, we need to get all that together. And then guys, a couple weeks ago, I had this moment where I just really wanted to clean out all of my drawers and dressers and cabinets. So if you remember, I used to have like twice the amount of Bath & Body Works candles. I put a lot of them in a box, and I'm going to take them to my storage unit because they were ones that I wanted to save until my new apartment, or that were almost gone. And I organized all of my makeup bags. So that's what I'm doing in here. I'm going to get some makeup bags and go ahead and start packing up my makeup. Okay, y'all, good morning. It's the next morning. We are still packing. I did not pack all night. I went to sleep, and you can see I'm missing some blankets. I'm washing my comforters this morning, and I did finish a lot last night, but we still have so much to do. So I have some of my makeup, but I'm gonna put like all my skincare in here. I'm gonna pack that up as soon as I put it on again after my shower. I need to remember to take my camera charger, Apple Watch charger, and this is where we got as far as the clothes. I know those shirts I literally like ironed, but putting them right back in the suitcase because I just don't want to hang them up in my car, so I'm just going to keep everything I have in the suitcase. So we got mostly everything packed. I have bras, socks, underwear in there, pajamas over here, and like leggings, loungy clothes to ride home in. I'm bringing those black booties I showed y'all. I feel like they'll be really comfortable, and they came from Target. And every time I go to a hotel, I always bring slippers because I hate hotel floors. I have all of my contacts. I brought a lot extra, and then I'm not gonna wear makeup today, so I brought all of my makeup, more makeup, and then my other makeup is in here, my brushes, my regular hairbrush, and this is a thing of my jewelry. I've packed like everything. So yeah, and then over here is like all of the nicer, I guess, clothes that I'll be wearing during the day. Jackets encased, jeans. Yes, I just took my hat off. I swear I didn't go to the gym just like this, but I'm back. I'm sweaty. I took Daisy on a walk, and we're about to do some last minute laundry, mainly because I need to get all of my face masks washed. I try to change my face mask every single day, like whether I go to the gym or wherever, because it grosses me out. So we're gonna do a load of clothes, wash, I don't know why I really wanna wash my bedding. So we're gonna do that, like have that going in the background all day. Also, I ran by the grocery store. There were just some random things I needed to get. We were out of milk. This is the milk I like to use for my coffee. I went ahead and got like a mini toothbrush and toothpaste to take. Got some of my favorite lotion. I love this stuff. Deodorant. This is the first time in years I have changed the kind of deodorant I use. I normally use this kind, but I get the Sexy Intrigue. It smells so good to me, and I literally have 3 in my bathroom right now, but they're all empty because I'm obsessed with the smell. So we changed things up. They were out. And then I got another pack of gum. This is the kind of pack of gum I get like when it's payday and I'm feeling rich. I know this sounds so stupid, but it's literally my favorite because it doesn't like spill in your purse. You know, it doesn't get all mushy. I've had, you know, like the cardboard, or not cardboard, the paper gum wrappers or whatever that like mush down in the bottom of your purse. I can't stand that. So, and I hate spending a lot of money on like candy and gum and stuff, but got this. It's my fave. Okay guys, so I'm out of the shower, and I think I'm actually going to see if I can get my clothes to fit in here and then take this carry-on. Ignore all of that. Those are clothes I'm folding as well. Simply because I don't want to worry about everything fitting in my car, number one. And also, I really don't have that much stuff. We're only going to be there Saturday, Sunday, and half the day Monday. So I think I should be able to fit it all in here, plus maybe another like bag or something. So we're gonna see. I really don't want to wrinkle my stuff, but I'm probably gonna have to re-iron everything once I get there anyway. Okay, so it's just not gonna fit in here. I think I have just too many like thick things like jackets and jeans. So moving it all back in here, and I'm going to try and fit everything. Like that's like a bag of my toiletries. I put my makeup in there, shampoo, body wash, all that good stuff. So I'm just going to fit everything back in here. Okay, so I'm kind of making my bed up. I have my other comforter in the washing machine. I'm also washing a load of clothes, or they're in the dryer. This is as good as I think it's going to get. It's actually kind of empty. You can't really tell. But I'm about to get started with some work. I worked a lot last night to try and like get ahead for this afternoon. So yeah, okay, so if we have extra masks in here, washed a whole bunch of masks. I have some more that are getting washed right now. Okay, I know I've looked better, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what's in my IPSY March box. I actually got this week. I know it's like a little bit into March right now. So honestly though, IPSY is phenomenal. I am an IPSY Open Studios member. This isn't sponsored. I don't get paid to talk about it, but they do send me IPSY boxes every month, and they are always so amazing. I've talked about this before. Introduces me to so much skincare. Like, it's the skincare for me that like blows my mind. So we're gonna go through everything. So this is the glam bag. The glam bag, they have the glam bag and the glam bag plus, and I get both of them. I'll link all the info below and put a link to their site. So this is the regular glam bag, and it comes with 5 sample sized items. The first thing we have is this Sela Sea to Skin scrub. It has really pretty packaging. I love this look. Little mystery item right here. Let's open her up. This looks like, ooh, a Saint Lux highlighter. I'm always in the market for new highlighter. That looks really pretty. Ooh, that's really bright. Okay, I chose like an awkward spot to put it on, but you can see, from what you can tell, it's like right here. It's super pretty. It's very pigmented. Love that. This brand Cocoa Kind, it's a resurfacing sleep mask. Super cute. I told y'all, skincare, it's always about the skincare. And this I saw the other day. I kind of like peeked through here already. This is the Kat Von D, or it's KVD now, their translucent setting powder. I've heard really good things about this, and it's sample size. And also here's the bag. It's super cute for International Women's Month. I thought that was adorable. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the rest of the stuff. I was really excited about this. So this is from Adam Beauty, and I believe that's Addison Rae's makeup line. This is their One Hit Prime Set and Refresh Dewy Finish Face Mist. So if this will make me look like Addison Rae, I'll use it. I think she's so pretty. And I'm not even like big into like the TikTok stars or anything. Like, I don't really follow a lot of them. I do follow her. I think she's just gorgeous. And she's just, I think she's like beautiful. I really do. I can't hate on her at all. And I really like the packaging of this Prime and Set and Refresh Mist. I might take this with me this weekend. For some reason, I want it to smell like an orange. Or like a eucalyptus kind of smell. It doesn't smell like an orange, but it smells good. And then also we have this eyeshadow palette. It's Plum Premonition from Belle and Argent. So I opened it up already, and this is it. It's really pretty. Okay, so this shade down here just really called my name. I thought it was so pretty. It's very pigmented too, so I love how when they include eyeshadow palettes. It's my favorite. And I thought this was funny. I forgot this came in here. This would have came in handy this morning because I went to pick up deodorant, but they came with 2 sticks of deodorant. This brand Refreshments, they're almost always in the bag. And I've gotten razors from them, lotion, body scrubs, body wash, everything. So we have this eucalyptus julep and this unscented. So I'm gonna test those out. Oh, they also sent a pearly body wash, which looks really pretty. I'm so excited about this. I think this was actually supposed to be in the glam bag with the other things. This is the Way leave-in conditioner. I love a good leave-in conditioner. And I've heard so many good things about Way, and I've always wanted to try their products. Then we have Florence by Mills. So this is that Millie Bobby Brown, her line. And this is a Glow Yeah lip oil. I love a good lip oil. Really cute. Okay, so this is adorable. I will definitely be using that. Okay, and then more brushes. I get more excited about the brushes than I want to say anything, but I just really love when they send brushes. So these are from the brand MOTD, and it's like a 5-pack? Yeah, 5-pack eyeshadow brush set. So I love this. So cute. And then the last thing, I think this is one of the last things. It's a Purlisse Silk Glow BB Base Primer. So I will definitely try this out. It's a multitasking base primer that preps your skin and makeup for a healthy, natural glow. Oh, it's super cute. And this is the bag for the Glam Bag Plus. I love how when I get them, I get 2 different bags. So this is like the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. And I've been getting these since like September of last year. So I have so many like matching bag sets, and they come in such handy like this weekend where I'm leaving. I love that. So I cleaned out my car, and another thing I'm gonna bring is this mirror. This was in my FabFitFun box. Use code Claire10 for some money off. But this mirror is from Impressions Vanity, and it's so good. I take this anytime I travel because, you know, when you go in a hotel room, there's never good lighting. And when you're with girls, you know, we're all trying to do our makeup or hair or whatever. So I'm gonna bring that. Ooh, that reminds me, I'm gonna bring my curling wand. Okay, so I made a list on my phone like I always do on my notes app, so I won't forget everything, but I still have not a good bit of stuff, but like phone charger. My phone's on the charger right now. Can't forget my camera. I'm about to come eat some lunch though. I'm really hungry. Okay, y'all, somehow it is like already the end of the day and it's time to leave. My friend just texted me that she is on her way, on her way from work to her house. So I'm about to leave, go fill my car up with gas, get some Starbucks, and start the next vlog. I'm gonna be vlogging this weekend. It's crazy, I actually started my channel 3 years ago this weekend, and it was a vlog of Disney World. So doing the same thing basically, but just different places. So I am going to go now, but thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see the actual trip. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.